Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the broadband modem has an active internet connection and updated firmware. This prevents needless troubleshooting later. Once done, power down both devices, then connect an Ethernet cable from modem LAN to the router WAN or LAN port depending on mode. You choose router as extender mode when you lack a dedicated access point. Otherwise, pick access point for cleaner Wi-Fi. Make sure to note current SSID and admin password. These will guide settings and avoid connectivity conflicts during the next steps. You log into the router's admin interface using the device IP, enter credentials, and locate operation mode. Switch to access point or repeater mode. When in access point mode, disable DHCP so the modem or main router assigns IPs, because duplicate DHCP causes conflicts. Next, match or choose SSIDs and WPA2/WPA3 keys. Synchronized SSIDs let devices roam, while distinct names help diagnose dead zones. Finally, set channels manually to avoid interference. Pick You place the extender or access point where signal from the main router is stable but reaches the problem area. Avoid metal, microwaves, and thick walls. Once powered, verify connectivity by testing speeds and latency in several rooms and reconnect a wired device to confirm routing. If performance lags, reboot modem and extender, then recheck channels and DHCP settings. One key tip: if devices fail to get an IP, ensure duplicate DHCP is disabled on the extender. This is the most common configuration error to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.